Hi, Mark. Here it is 8 going on 8:25 Eastern Time, Friday, June the 20th, going on 12:25 GMT. And let's look and analyze US dollar index going into today's US session. I've got the index up here. You can see yesterday, continuation of the uptrend, a little bit contradictory with the red candlestick, but certainly was higher highs, higher lows. Today, a gap lower to start, but US dollar is fighting back going into the US session. You can see the small green body of the candlestick. Buyers looking to come up and test 98.32, today's resistance, to go higher, looking all the way up to 98.74. Sellers of US dollar index will be looking to remain below this 98.31 and look down to the 98 level. Let's have a look at the majors, starting with the euro. I've got the daily up here, and you can see the last few days, euro is fighting back against a weak US dollar, gapped higher to start today, and the open today is sitting at $1.1510. I've got a high of 115.32. It's a narrow 20 to 30 pip range to start, but has left this wick behind. You can see that is buying euro, selling US, but US is fighting its way back and looking to come and test this support area and get below $1.15. Let's have a look on the hourly. And there you can see selling euro, buying US. That's the US fighting back, looking to come and test this $1.15 support level. Buyers looking up at the 115.32 resistance level. Let's have a look at the pound. Pound, another day of strengthening against the US, a gap up to start. You can see that. Got support at 134.62 and got resistance at 134.99. That's $1.35. Buyers will be looking to test that $1.35 on the upside. Let's zoom in on the hourly. You can see buyers have been trying this $1.35, getting held up at this resistance level. That is selling pound, buying US, the red candlestick. That's the US trying to fight back and bounce down off this resistance area to come down and test support at 134.62. Let's have a look at the yen. Strong US dollar. Look at the uptrend over here. Higher highs, higher low. I've got support sitting at 145.10 and resistance sitting at 145.63. So US dollar has made a nice start against the yen, looking to test this resistance area around the 145.60, looking to break higher. I've got resistance here at 145.76, and buyers will be looking up at that area and looking to get to the 146 area. US dollar definitely strong against the yen to start, and a continuation of this uptrend to start the US session. There you can see it nicely on the hourly, and that is the resistance up there at 145.60 that's being tested right now. Let's have a look at the US Canadian. Trading above $1.37. There's the green candlestick. There's the series of higher highs and kind of higher lows. I've got support sitting at 136.85, and I've got daily resistance sitting here at 137.15. There is the narrow range, but certainly US dollar on the front foot here. Demand for US dollar against the Canadian. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see pretty strong resistance, 137.15. That's the level that US dollar buyers will be looking to test, break above. I've got the daily resistance all the way up here at 137.47. Seems a long way away, but that is the area. If I zoom out, that is what buyers will be looking up at this area. Sellers of US, buyers of Canadian we'll be looking down here below $1.37 and support at 136.88. So what we see going into the US session is certainly US dollar fighting back, US dollar strength, some demand for US dollar. We'll see if that can continue and be maintained through a US session. Good trading, and I will see you at the end of day session.